Ay.
Hugay Po.
1,
Enio Performance 1.
2, 3,
I can't believe that many students
4,
have performed that in many days
5,
ago.
6, 7, 8,
But it's almost perfectly
9,
done because they have been not so perfect in their proper moves.
11, 12, 13, 14,
Although it is okay
15,
when we perform, at least
16,
it is done performing with many scales applied.
17, 18, 19,
It might be self-enjoying for our winners to play
One.
like this.
22, 23, 24. Close.
Good job.
Hugay.
Hugay Po.